Kenji, a young samurai, was restless. His heart ached for something more. He yearned for inner peace, a stillness that eluded him. Despite rigorously training and honing his swordsmanship, his mind remained a whirlwind of thoughts. Kenji sought counsel from wise elders, pouring out his anxieties. They spoke of a legendary Zen Master, a beacon of serenity, nestled deep in the mountains, residing in a secluded monastery, shrouded in mist and legend. It was said he held the keys to unlocking the Zen Void, a state of perfect tranquility. Determined to find solace, Kenji embarked on a solitary quest. He left behind the familiar comforts of his home, venturing into the unknown. His journey was not merely physical, it was a deep dive into his own soul. He carried with him the weight of expectations, the burden of his lineage. But he also carried hope, a flicker of belief that he could find the peace he so desperately craved. Kenji's path was arduous. He traversed dense forests, climbed treacherous mountains, and forded rushing rivers. The wilderness tested his physical limits, pushing him to the brink of exhaustion. He encountered biting winds, torrential downpours, and scorching sun. Each step was a battle against the elements, a testament to his unwavering resolve. Nature's fury mirrored the turmoil within him. Yet, amidst the struggle, Kenji began to notice the world around him. The delicate dance of leaves in the wind, the soothing rhythm of flowing water, the quiet strength of ancient trees. He started to appreciate the beauty and the simplicity of nature. He realized that his pursuit of inner peace was not about fighting the chaos, but about finding stillness within it. He was not separate from nature, but a part of it. This understanding brought a sense of calm, a glimmer of hope. Days turned into weeks, weeks into months. Kenji's journey was a tapestry of hardships and small victories. He learned to navigate by the stars, to find sustenance in the wild, to endure the solitude. He listened to the whispers of the wind, the rustling of leaves, the songs of birds. Nature's symphony became his companion, its rhythms calming his troubled mind. He began to shed the layers of ego, the anxieties and expectations that had weighed him down. He learned to accept discomfort, to find strength in vulnerability. The path to the Zen Master was not just about reaching a destination. It was about shedding the unnecessary, embracing the essence of being. Kenji was slowly, but surely, finding his way. Finally, Kenji arrived at the fabled monastery, nestled amidst towering peaks. It was a place of serene beauty, ancient and timeless. He was greeted by the Zen Master, a figure of quiet strength and wisdom. The Master did not offer grand pronouncements or easy answers. He guided Kenji through simple tasks, mindful practices, and silent contemplation. He taught him to observe his thoughts without judgment, to find stillness in the present moment. Kenji spent his days in meditation, tending the gardens, engaging in mindful conversations. He learned to appreciate the profound in the mundane, to find joy in the simplest act. The monastery was a sanctuary, a place where time seemed to stand still. Here, in the heart of Zen, Kenji began to understand the true meaning of peace. Kenji's quest was not about finding an end, but a beginning. He left the monastery transformed, carrying within him the stillness of the Zen Void. He returned to the world a changed man, his heart filled with gratitude and peace. He found joy in the everyday, beauty in the ordinary. His swordsmanship reached new heights, powered by a newfound calmness and focus. He shared his wisdom with others, teaching them the art of stillness, the power of mindful living. Kenji's journey became an inspiration, a testament to the transformative power of seeking inner peace. He carried the serenity of the mountains within him, a reminder that true strength lies not in power, but in finding tranquility amidst the storm.